Okay, we did it. I love y'all. Guys, we made it to day 40. Good morning, world. Happy day 40, the summer of learning, and we made it to 40. I can't even believe it. Thank you for everybody that's been hanging out with us all summer. And this isn't the end of the series. We're just celebrating the milestone. Man, have I learned a ton this summer. About myself. We vlogged every day, which stretched us thin because we were doing it on top of other things, but it forced me to reprioritize and rebalance, and I did my best to be transparent about my learning, the highs, the lows, and everywhere in between. And here we are on day 40. I'm grateful to each and every one of you for every second of your watch time, every like, every comment. I read them all. Thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you. Let's celebrate the summer of learning with 40 days, and we'll see you on the next 40. Good morning, YouTube. Welcome back to Camp Hospital. My name is Brian, that's Lake Erie, and we like to build cabins out of old abandoned garages. So if that's the kind of content for you, go ahead and hit that like button. What's up, YouTube? Welcome back to Camp Hospital. My name is Brian, and we're doing the prep work on the old abandoned garage house conversion. Look at that, it's house wrapped. We're getting ready for siding. All the old siding is gone. My name's Brian, and today we're going deep onto how we got here, right here, in this moment. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name's Brian, and on today's episode, I want to talk about how I live mortgage-free on this beach. Good morning, guys. Look at that sunrise. Come on. Even the patio door is in. Dude. Yo, can you even see? We cut this roof off, built the second story on our own garage tiny house, and then we put this roof back on. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I want to talk about failure. Welcome to day 11. My shoulders are absolutely on fire from yesterday's drywall video. I was thinking hard about sweat equity. 2017. Yeah, that was my dream job. I took a leave of absence from my school board, my school district, 2016, 2017, after I won the Canadian Prime Minister's Award for teaching excellence. Guys, today is the day the stairs get finished to the loft. Let me try again. Today's the day we start the stairs to the loft. Thanks for hanging out with us. If you clicked on this video, we're heading to Costco this morning. What's up, guys? This is a beautiful day to be hanging out on the lake. Oh, we got a busy one today. Lots of little things to get done around here. And of course, over at the abandoned cabin site, we'll be sure to visit that today. But I'm making no promises. I'm making no promises for this. We're gonna start the day at the gym. That's about all I know with this video. Welcome to day 16. Don't think I don't see you out there. Y'all have just been so kind to me this week. Feel it even through the screen, you know, the empathy. Thank you so much. How's it going upstairs?
I'm really proud of myself.
Woo! Let's go see. You insulated here too? Sound barrier? Nice work. Proud of yourself? Yeah. I'm proud of you. Good morning. Can I have a large green tea black and a large cappuccino, please? Guys, I was rushing yesterday putting down that laminate floor, and I just mangled the crap out of the laundry tub legs and said that's Future Brian's problem. We all know how I feel about Future Brian. He's paying for it today. So drywall, flooring, and today we become a plumber. Welcome to day 19. It hurts to move, ZB. We're celebrating day 20. wants to come help me set up this tent? Well, we made it, friends. We're over the hurdle. I think 20 was the hurdle. I think once you cross into week 3, then you've really got something going. But are you sure that's not gonna cover like in there? It doesn't come off though. Welcome back to another exciting episode of Camp Ath. So today is the day the shower gets its first coat of cement. Beach day! Beach day! Beach day! Beach day! Hello friends, happy Friday. Welcome back to another exciting episode of Camp Aspinall. We're gonna take the boat out today. Build site belongs to. I just heard thunder. Thunder! Are we okay to just come in to visit and take photos? No, it's residents only these days? Yeah. Can I pay for a day pass for the vehicle? Yeah, you can. Okay, cool. This is ready for a hike at Holiday Beach. Welcome to Holiday Beach Conservation Area, located on Canada's most southern mainland shoreline. Same place where Steph and I got married, remember that?
No.
A little over a decade.
We got married? I remember. Okay.
Well, you probably don't remember because those versions of Steph and Brian drank too much. Hello world, welcome back to another exciting episode of Camp Aspinall. Yay! All right, let's go. Good girl. Happy birthday to... Hello world, welcome back to another fantastic episode of Camp Aspinall. It is Monday, August 5th, my 43rd birthday. And we'll scrap a railing on the stairs, not needed. Massive downpour. Look at you. Oh, that's a lot of water. Hello guys, welcome back to Lake Erie's North Shore. We just got hammered with another storm. It's Wednesday. I'm afraid to go check on the other abandoned cabin build job site. Garage cabin, abandoned cabin, garage to house conversion. I don't know what to call it anymore. I just keep changing the name of it. But seriously, look at that. Lake's flat now. It wasn't an hour ago. It was... Hello, YouTube. Welcome back to an exciting episode of Camp Aspinall, and we made it to day 29. Different video for you today. Our team's growing, the channel's growing. That means I want to extend the benefits back to you. Everything that I do in any capacity, whether it's real estate, book publishing, YouTube, is meant to affect students positively at some level. It might be that I'm leveraging real estate to fund these kind of creative projects. Now, in this example, we want to put Hack the Class on the map, and we want to bring you along for the ride. Oh, wow. Yes. That looks wicked awesome. What's up, YouTube? Welcome back to an exciting episode of Camp Aspinall. So we've been required to actually insulate the foundation before we backfill. So that's been done today. All the way around the perimeter. Hello world, my name's Brian, and I live in this garage. Happy Friday, my friends. Welcome back to another exciting episode of Camp Aspinall. I'm covered in drywall, mud, Steph's gardening, and we're gonna make sure we head over to the abandoned cabin build on this video. My 37th coat of mud went up on the drywall because I am not sanding. Welcome back to another episode of Camp Aspinall. Well, it's a Saturday. It's a windy one. We're all mic'd up. I hope you can hear me. We're celebrating today. It has been one epic week. Yeah, it's time. We're gonna fire this beast up. See all these? That's for all these. Hello world, welcome to the Sunday Funday edition of Camp Aspinall. On today's episode, we are talking to our new content creator, host of the Hack the Class video podcast series, launching very soon. Thank you so much for clicking on this video and giving us 10 minutes of your time. Let's go.
Recording in progress.
Here we go. Hello, everybody. We are joined today with none other than Laura Williams. Laura, how are you on a Sunday, August 11th?
Hey everybody, I'm doing well. I just taught a class. I'm a little tired, but I'm ready to roll.
Are you not engaged? Although I guess that kind of applies. I want to introduce to you somebody new from the Codebreaker camp. This is Dr. Mark Isaacs. And we are a few short weeks away from publishing his book. Guys, we found 10 grand buried at the cabin. Literally, buried treasure. We're heading back to the abandoned cabin where the framing inspection passed and the plumbing inspection passed. That means we can pour cement at the addition, at the back, under the stairs. But that's not why this video is so extra exciting. We found buried treasure. Yo, dude, what a time to be alive. Out of breath. Welcome back to another episode of Camp Aspinall. Cut! Hello, YouTube. Welcome back to another episode of... Are you seeing this? Are you seeing this? You're seeing this. You're seeing this. Wow! Hope you can tell. I am excited. I knew they were doing this, but I guess I didn't know what I was expecting. So the original wall sat here. You see the difference in color. And it was rotten, so we tore the wall down, poured a new foundation to bump this out to give us room to bring services in and to add stairs while leaving the original footprint of the building. I am unhappy. That's not the right word. I am frustrated. All right, let's chat. In the nearly 2 decades I've spent in education, I have witnessed firsthand so many times teachers, myself included, have planned a wicked awesome lesson that uses technology, be it iPads, be it microbits, be it Chromebooks, and we spend all this time planning this engaging lesson. Technology fails us. That's what happened to me today. I almost didn't get a video, but here I am telling you the story because I took a nap, I sat with it, and I thought, all right, well, practice what you preach, Aspinall. Get back on the horse. Don't let the technology defeat you. So here I am, welcoming you back to another episode. First thing this morning, I was in a great mood. This is me telling you how awesome my giant biceps are and how much they're sore this week. Here I am reciting pi to the 32nd decimal place. Then we went over to the pond and watched frogs jump. I did some bragging about my tomatoes and our giant sunflowers. Look at the size of that thing. Here I am explaining to you the meaning of life and what really goes on beyond the stars. And here we are exploring the beautiful shower. We're stuck in the rain and there's nobody around. Oh yeah. I don't know why. Look, I'm still stepping over it. It's totally dry, cure cement, but it's a different color, so we shouldn't walk on it. Yeah, that's awesome. Behind the shower. You'll notice these ceiling trusses are actually perpendicular to these ones. These ones are, I think, 2x10s or 2x12s. And these ones are 2x8s or 2x10s. They're 2 inches shorter anyway. And they run the other direction because there's actually dormers upstairs in the ceiling that's holding all this structure from above, underpinned to the exterior walls, supported on the load with the big post there, and then 4 feet underground. We're camping in a thunderstorm today. Hear it? Yeah, the sun's peeking out. That one's a cool shot. Day at the lake.
Well,
I think that's awesome. Okay, we did it. I love y'all. See you tomorrow.